Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths. Today we will begin practice set 34. First one, that is subtract the second expressions from the first. 4xy minus 9z, comma 3xy minus 16z. Both these binomial expressions given in bracket. So you have to write again in bracket in subtraction form. That is 4xy minus 9z, in place of comma you put minus sign, minus 3xy minus 16z. Now you have to open the bracket. You have to write this without bracket, and second expression what is there, that you have to convert the sign. Means second expression, the sign which you have, it will become opposite sign by converting minus into plus and minus into minus. In first expression your sign will not change. This number you have to write as it is without bracket. That is 4xy minus 9z, minus into plus is minus. You have the sign formula here I have written. Minus into plus is minus. Then it will become here minus 3xy. Here plus 3xy is there. After converting minus into plus, it become minus. Then minus into minus become plus 16z. Here once again I am repeating, second expression what is given in binomial form, only this opposite sign will change here. In bracket what is given sign. Not in first expression in binomial form, only in second expression in binomial form. First expression in binomial form you have to write as it is, even if it is monomial form and trinomial form also. First expression you have to write as it is. Only the second expression sign will change by using the sign formula. Now you have to bring the like terms together. 4xy, 3xy. Numbers which have the same variables, that you have to write it together, that is in like term form. 4xy, before 3 which sign is there, minus. 4xy minus 3xy. So after finish writing both the different numbers in xy, then other variable you have to see. Other variable is before 9 which sign is there, that right, minus 9z plus 16z. Now here like terms, if you have different numbers with the same variable, same variable cannot be added, only the numbers can be added or subtracted, but not the same variable. Variable you have to write as it is. xy you have to write as it is. 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus into plus is minus, so you have to subtract. Here which variable is there, same, z. So first you have to write as it is, which you have same variable. Minus into plus minus, so subtract it. 16 minus 9, how much? 7. Also greater number sign you have to see. Greater number which sign is there, plus. Now we will do in vertical arrangement. This is horizontal arrangement. Vertical arrangement, here what is given in question, that you have to write. 4xy minus 9z, 3xy minus 16z. So you have to write in subtraction form. 4xy minus 3xy, 4xy minus 9z, and second binomial expression is given 3xy minus 16z. Here opposite sign what you have taken, you have to see that. Here plus is there, it become minus. Here I have converted sign, minus into plus, minus become. And if here minus is there, here become plus, because minus into minus plus. Here in vertical arrangement, you have to circle the sign and you have to make it opposite. Here what I have converted the sign here by using the sign formula. First of all, in question, you have to write in vertically 4xy minus 9z and 3xy minus 16z, that is given in question, and subtraction is there, you have to put minus and here, and which I circled the sign, that you have to write in opposite sign after converting this by using sign formula. Minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Here which I circled, I have written in opposite sign here already. Now you have to convert the sign. Plus into minus, you have to subtract. Variables which are same, write variable as it is. Plus into minus is minus, that is 16 minus 9, 7. Greater number which sign is there? Plus. See, don't look the sign which I circled, which I have taken opposite sign here, which I wrote it down here, opposite sign. You have to see this sign, this and this sign, not the circle, the sign which I circled. Okay. Now minus into plus is minus. If the variables are same, write as it is. 4 minus 3, 1. Now you are getting unlike terms. This is you are getting different variable. Here xy is there, here z is there. You cannot add the number with unlike terms. If you don't have the same variable, you cannot add or subtract the unlike terms. Even in horizontal arrangement also, xy and here z is there. Different variables you are getting answers. You cannot add or subtract the number. Now look at second one. 5x plus 4y plus 7z, comma x plus 2y plus 3z. You have to write this in bracket in subtraction form. 5x plus 4y plus 7z minus x plus 2y plus 3z, like this. Now second expressions which is given here, only whatever the sign is given here, it will become opposite sign by using the sign formula. Not in first expressions. The first expressions numbers which are given and they are sign, that you have to write as it is. You have to open the bracket and you have to write 5x plus 4y plus 7z. Minus into plus is minus, minus x, minus into plus minus 2y, minus into plus minus 3z. And now like terms you have to write together. Different numbers with same variable, bring it together and write. Five x, other which is there xc here. If you are getting confused, underline it in different way. 5x, before x which sign is there, that put it, minus x. Now X is over. Now next one is number with y variable. 4y, before 2 which sign is there? C. Plus 4y. You have to check the sign before, when you are writing it like terms together, before writing the like terms together, you have to check which sign is there before the number. Plus 4y minus 2y. So numbers with y finished writing together. Then next one is z. Before 7 which sign is there? Plus. Plus 7z. Other number which is there, C. Minus 3z. You cannot add the same variable or subtract the same variable write as it is. X. 5x minus x. Here nothing is there, taking it as 1. If you have only the variable without number, you have to take it 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4x. Greater number with sign is a C. Plus. Same variable write as it is. Y. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again greater number with sign is there. Plus. Same variable write as it is. 7 minus 3, 4. So now you are getting unlike terms. Different variables you are getting. So you cannot add these numbers. This is the answer. Now you have to do in vertical arrangement. 5x plus 4y plus 7z. X plus 2y plus 3z. This is the question. So you have to circle it and you have to put it opposite sign. See, I have converted the sign here. Minus into plus, minus. So it become minus x. So here become, you have to circle this plus sign and you have to write it opposite in vertical arrangement. And next one, minus into plus is minus. So that is minus 2y. You have to circle this plus sign and write minus 2y in vertical arrangement. Again, minus into plus, minus 3z. Again you have to circle this plus sign and write it minus. This way you have to write in vertical arrangement, and also to put opposite sign, down one sign, not up one sign, always down sign, and circle and you have to write it opposite. Circle sign you don't have to convert. Plus into minus, minus. First you have to write variable as it is. 7 minus 3, 4. Greater number with sign plus. Okay. Then same variable write as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2. Because plus into minus is minus. You have to subtract. Greater number with sign, plus sign. Here also. X. Here you don't have any number, that is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here which sign is there, that you have to see. 4x plus 2y plus 4z. In horizontal arrangement also it should get same answer. Yes, both the answers are same. Even first one also see. Now Third one. Look at this third sum question. 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square, comma 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. Now write this in bracket form again in subtraction. 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square minus 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. Now see these both expressions in trinomial form. Always you have to convert the sign in second bracket, which is given sign, not in the first bracket. Now you have to open the bracket and write 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 26x square minus into minus is plus. Here which number is there, that write after converting sign. Plus 8xy, again minus into minus, plus 17y square. Now you have to write different numbers with same variables. You have to bring it together and write. That means like terms you have to write it together. (14x square minus 26x square). 14x square minus 26x square. Then which sign is there? Before you are writing like terms together, see plus. Plus 8xy, other number which is there, see. Here also plus 8xy. Plus 8xy plus 8xy. Now look at other number with other variable. Plus 3y square, other number with variable y square, plus 17y square. Variable which are same, write as it is. Greater number sign put. 26 minus 14, answer is 12. Greater number with sign minus. Plus variables which are same, write as it is. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 17 plus 3, 20y square, like this. Minus 12x square plus 16xy plus 20y square. Now you have to do it in vertical arrangement. minus sign you have to put. Here which sign is there you have to see. Second expressions in trinomial form which is given, that write. Second expression in trinomial form is given this: 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. You have to circle this sign and you have to write it in opposite. Here nothing is there, plus sign it is. Okay. Because look here, minus into plus is minus 26x square, minus into minus plus 8xy, minus into minus plus 17y square. So that's why this sign will, when you circle it, you have to write in opposite. Y square write as it is. 17 plus 3 20. Same variable write as it is. 8 plus 8 16. Again same variable write as it is. Here which sign is there, that sign you have to put, whether it is greater or smaller. Even if there is equal number, that only sign you have to put. Here also, here which sign is there, greater number which sign is there, this sign you have to look, plus. Then x square 26 minus 14 is 12, because minus into plus is minus, greater number with sign minus. Both horizontal and vertical arrangement, your answer is same. This is unlike terms, you don't have same variables, so you cannot add or subtract the number. Thank you.